Hi, and welcome to Windowsill Nepenthes. My name is Remy, and in a minute I will tell you why your tropical pitcher plant is actually losing all its pitcher. Okay, first I have to tell you, the first time I bought a plant and lose all the pitcher, it was scary to me. I thought, oh, did I do something wrong or is the plant dying? But relax, that's absolutely normal and I will explain you why. But first, let's understand what is a plant. A plant is a living being that will grow roots in a place and will stay there forever. Plants don't move, don't travel. So you can imagine its ability to adapt being moved from a place to another is not the best. From a nursery, from a greenhouse, from another grower maybe. Generally speaking, the plant was living in a good condition and you bring your plants from another place and they have to adapt in less than 24 hours some difference with the light, the temperature, the humidity. That's why it's quite challenging for them. And I'm not even talking about the shipping. If you buy your plants online and they are shipped to you, they can spend up to 10 days into pitch black box. That's kind of a trauma to them. They will survive for sure, but that can be challenging for them. So now I will show you the picture of the plants I got 2 weeks ago from the unboxing, and you will see. This one had a great promising picture. I was really happy to see that, but again I had to report it. It was inside box. Even with the fast shipping, this plant was kind of sensitive. So as you see, the plant is just great. The leaves are shiny and everything looks good. But definitely the plant shut down all the pitcher. This plant is focusing only on growing roots now. And maybe in a month I will have a new pitcher. Oh, and let me show you this. This plant was growing inside my basement because they were tiny and my windowsill was not totally ready. When I moved them, they just skipped on 1 to 2 pitcher because they were adapting. So as you see, a pitcher before, then the new leaves don't grow pitcher stay kind of dormant. And now the new pitcher is quite great. So the plants was just getting used to the new condition. Anyway, for your plants, adapting to the new growing condition will consume quite some energy. And the plants will have to choose what to sacrifice to provide this energy. Let's say now you are a plant. Where would you find this energy? What would you sacrifice to get it? Would you sacrifice the roots that provide the water? So that's kind of vital for the plants. Would you sacrifice maybe the leaves? But they provide energy and breathing, the oxygen. What you could sacrifice is the trap, the pitcher, because they are not mandatory. Even a carnivorous plant can absolutely grow without any food or insect. See that as a boost. So the plants will just sacrifice what is not mandatory to stay alive. So the plants will just shut down all the pitcher. The loss of all the pitcher can occur when you repot a plant. In nature, the roots of the plants are never really disturbed. The plants again don't move, so they are sensitive. And especially Nepenthes, they grow really thin and easily breakable black roots. So if you disturb the roots of the plants too much when you're repotting, the plants will shut down all the pitcher and then focus on growing back new roots. So before you panic because all your pictures are dying, just check if the light is good, check if the substrate is moist, not soggy, and check also the brightness of the leaves. If they are green and shiny, your plant is just great. If this video was useful to you, please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the little bell to have all the notification, and share this video around. Thank you. Until next time, happy growing!